Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ 1500. The 1500 LTZ is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the LTZ Silverado, we do have the power windows, power folding mirrors, power locks, and memory seating. Up top, we got our integrated trailer braking system, 4x4 dial and lighting dial with fog lights. Brown leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, heated as well. We have our speak to talk and audio controls on the steering wheel. 32,057 kilometers on the odometer. Column shifter with tow mode. We have the large 8-inch touchscreen with OnStar navigation, phone connectivity, and your audio controls. We have dual zone climate control as well with heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, in-bed lighting, and parking sensors. We have the chocolate brown leather with the dual glove box locking top there, Bose audio throughout, and then the beautiful lighter grayish tone leather as well, heated seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the truck here, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package there, chrome door handles and running boards as well, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming to the back of the truck, we got our 4x4 decal, LED tail lamps with the black Chevrolet bow tie, Silverado, chrome bumper, and tow hitch with your parking sensors on that rear bumper there. Looking at the interior of the truck, we do have the same leather seats in the back. Both end seats are car seat ready with a rear sliding window with defrost, cup holders in the center, LED lighting up top with extra headroom. This is a crew cab truck, so there's tons of legroom as well, and some storage in the center console and behind the seats. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. If this is your next luxury crew cab V8 pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.